Hello everybody, my name is Sarah, and today I want to talk to you about the new cordless battery pack from Lifestyle Solutions. If you own a power recliner, sofa, or sectional, this is the perfect product for you. Power reclining furniture is luxurious and comfortable, but all those wires connecting the furniture to the wall are messy and dangerous. But don't worry, you can now enjoy your recliner anywhere you want, with no more messy wires, trip hazards, or pets chewing your cords. The cordless battery pack is rechargeable and easy to install. First, charge it for 7 to 8 hours, then plug the battery pack between your motor and power supply. The battery will last up to 300 cycles. This means you can open and close your recliner 300 times, or approximately 30 days, with normal use. When it's time to charge, you can simply plug your original recliner power cord to the outlet, or use the included wall charger. And remember, the power pack is only intended to operate your recliner motor. It is not recommended to power sofas with LED lights or controls that are always on, as this will deplete the battery in just a few days. And if your furniture features USB ports, you cannot use them to charge your portable devices. Free your furniture from dangerous cords and get the comfort you deserve with the all-new Lifestyle Solutions 2200 battery pack. And remember, if you have any doubts, contact us with any questions before you buy to avoid unnecessary returns. Don't forget to visit our Amazon page for more great products. Thanks for watching.